Use de Moivre's theorem to prove that cos m theta plus I sine m theta times cos n theta plus I sine n theta is equal to cos m plus n theta plus I sine plus n theta. Alright, let's go through this using de Moivre's theorem step by step. De Moivre's theorem states, for any integer n and real theta, cos theta plus I sine theta raised to power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sine n theta. These are exactly in the polar form cos phi plus I sine phi, where the modulus is 1.
From de Moivre's theorem,
using the law of exponents. By de Moivre's theorem with exponent m plus n. The proof uses de Moivre's theorem, both to express a and b as powers of cos theta plus I sine theta, and then to interpret cos theta plus I sine theta raised to power m plus n in polar form.